In the vast expanse of Roman history, amidst battles and glory, how did the ancients tackle the menace of infected wounds? No, contrary to what Gladiator might show, they didn't resort to worms. Instead, they turned to the wisdom of their time, blending science with nature. Imagine a Roman soldier, weary from battle, nursing a gash. Instead of primitive methods, he's treated with care that's advanced for its time. The Romans were pioneers, using opium not for pleasure but to ease the pain of surgery, combining it with wine for a rudimentary anesthesia. Pain relief wasn't their only forte. They knew the importance of cleanliness. Vinegar, a simple kitchen staple, was their go-to antiseptic, killing off bacteria and preventing infection. And then there's honey, not just sweet to taste but packed with antibacterial properties, slathered on wounds to speed up healing. Olive oil, too, played its part, keeping wounds moist and protected. These weren't just makeshift remedies but the foundation of a sophisticated medical practice that valued knowledge and innovation. So next time you think of ancient Rome, remember it wasn't just about the gladiators and the Colosseums. It was also a place where medical ingenuity thrived, a testament to the timeless quest for healing and relief.